forward to seeing your movie.
Yeah. You're so busy. Good thing you have a time to join Kaloka Live.
Of course, anything for showtime.
And your hairstyles are the same.
Your hairstyle. I want to change now because I'm Kim Chu.
What do you call that
Ariana
hairstyle?
Grande.
What do you call that hairstyle?
I'm a high pony.
Pony daw, pony!
Oh!
What do you call that?
High
High pony.
What is it again?
High pony. High pony.
Ay, pony daw, grabe mo!
Baba mo na wala ka to.
No pony ka lang?
Baba mo to wala ka.
Nilaw pony ka lang?
I used to have high pony also.
Really?
Over here. But it receded. So it's over here now.
So you're a unicorn.
What do you call
A
them?
unicorn.
Yeah, now I'm a unicorn. I used to be a pony, but now I'm a unicorn.
Oh,
May tinatanong si Bestie sa'yo, ate.
Yeah.
No, I'm not asking any question about
You
the pony.
don't question that anymore.
We don't question the pony, high pony, low pony.
Yeah, but we're so happy that you're here.
Thank
You
you
know,
so
your
much.
fans in the Philippines have been
Yes.
dying to see you in person.
Thank you
When was
so
the last time you were
much.
here?
Huh?
When was the last time you were here? Don't ha-ha me.
Nahuli siya. Huh?
A decade.
A decade ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, a decade ago.
10 years.
During the
Yeah.
break-free moments.
Yeah, that was my
Yeah.
Yes. So amazing. Congratulations.
She sings her songs too.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
I love your songs.
I love you so much. Thank
Really?
you.
You know me?
Now I do, yes.
You're famous.
I'm Kim Chu. I'm the brother of your director.
John Chu.
Oh, wow.
John Chu.
John Chu.
Small world.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a small world after all.
I love that.
Yeah. You know, I'm so amazed, ha? You don't talk with your mouth, you talk with your nose.
Actually,
Baka may sipon. Baka may lulubo na.
Yeah, very good. You're very beautiful.
thank you. Oh my God, thank you.
Ang arte mo. Ay, sorry. Si Ariana yan.
Kita natin yan.
Bigla ako to.
Ariana to.
Ariana yan. Binigwasan mo
Si Ariana pala.
Ariana.
Si Ariana. We love Ariana. We love Ariana.